with just the click of a button. Boom, we're back, baby. We are back. And my eyes are adjusting to all this lighting. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going over cheap lighting setup for YouTube videos. No, it's not just for YouTube videos. It's for Reels. It's for TikTok if it doesn't get banned. It's for any content creation. The point of this video is just to show you that you can start today. You don't have to wait for the perfect lighting. You can have really good lighting at an affordable price. Now I'll be going over 3 things. The first one will be one of my best items because thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you don't know me, that means a lot. So I want to give you the good stuff from the beginning so that you know that this video is worth it. Secondly, I'll be giving you a more budget-friendly option, sort of-ish. I say sort-of-ish because they're all very affordable. And then the third one is going to be one of my best products. I'm saving it for last. Mind you, don't confuse the last one and the first. Both amazing, but they both offer something different. So with that being said, I'm Brittany Ford and let's get right into the video. If you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my notes because I want to give you all the details. The first one that I'm going to be talking about is the LED video light panel. It runs for $50 to $70 and it's actually the one that I'm using right now. So I wanted to show you what it looks like on. Like if I do an up close, this is what the lighting looks like on, but I'm going to turn it off so that you can see what it looks like. And that is it. If I were not to have light, this is what it would look like. It would just look very dark. It just isn't giving you the best impression, right? So that's the power that I wanted to show you. If you had clicked on my video and you had seen this type of lighting, I don't know if you would have really given me a chance. With just the click of a button, boom, we're back, baby. We are back. And my eyes are adjusting to all this lighting. This panel is wonderful because one lighting can do it all. I normally don't use just the one. I normally pair it with something else. I'll pair it with the third item that I'm mentioning, which I'm not going to pull it up right now because I don't want to give away the third item just yet when we're in the first one. But that's the first one. It's got different lightings, but most lights do. This is not anything that's like shockingly surprising. This is nothing new. A lot of the lights have different lighting, so that's nothing to be impressed about. I just wanted to let you know that yes, it does have this feature. So this, I would have to say, is one of my favorites, if not my favorite, because all you need is this one item. Now just be patient and I will show you what that item that I pair it with is, but it just makes an incredible difference. And I feel like if you invest in one thing at all, this would be a great option. The only thing that I don't like about the one that I have is that it's mostly to be used for a desk, like if you're on a Zoom call or something like that, or if I'm recording sitting down, which majority of the time I am, but if I'm recording at a table, because it has to sit on a table because the legs are like this long. So the one that I'm going to go ahead and link down on my description is going to be one that stands high as a tripod, which I would love that because right now I have a crazy setup. I might as well just show you because why not? But this is my setup right now. As you can tell, that's the light. That's me. And then see how I have it on this stool because it's not long. Like it is very short. I don't want that for you. I think that if I was to recommend something for you, I would recommend something that you don't need a whole bunch of extra equipment. Like for me, I need that extra step ladder to be able to put it on top. So just recommending something simpler in the description down below for you. The second thing that I want to talk about is a ring light. This one I got, I don't know how long ago I got this one. This is the ring light. I got this one years ago. It was my first lighting that I ever got. And this little bad boy throws some good lighting and you can put your phone in here. You don't need anything extra. I never use this one. I still use my tripod when I'm recording even with this one because I like the flexibility of having my own tripod and that way I can put the lighting as close as far as I want, but the phone is still at the distance that I want it to be at. Hopefully that makes sense. This one gives off really good light as well, and I'll go ahead and put a little tester of all these so that you can see. I won't test it out just right now, but I'll insert a clip so that you can see the difference of what it looks like on and what it looks like off. It still gives off really good lighting. If you don't have a tripod or lighting and you need something that will do both of them, then that's a great option. Lastly will be the famous Alix Earle light. This one will run you about $17 to $30. This one is so little, but it is mighty. I'll go ahead and insert a clip so that you can see what it looks like with the light on, with the light off. One thing that I don't love about this one, but I don't mind, is that this one doesn't plug in. So you do have to keep this one charged to be able to use it. Not a huge deal. If you know you're recording, go ahead and plug it in hours hours before so that it is charged and plugged in, ready to go. But the first one that I mentioned in this video, the panel light, that one plugs into the wall, which I love because I do not have to worry about it dying on me at any time. I don't just use the panel, I also use this one. For this video, I have not been using it because I didn't want the video to kind of look weirdish when I took it off and then showed it to you. Normally, this is kind of like what my setup would be. I have the panel light right there and I'm about to turn this one on. So this one you can change different modes. You want it warm. This is like a mixture of the warmth and the light. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. I will clip this one right onto my phone. Once again, that is just the softbox. And then what I always do is I will clip the Alix Earle light just to give me that extra boost. There's a lot of lighting involved. It's not just the one, but I do think that you can make just the one thing work. The softbox right there, a great startup setup. But if you wanted to add some more, then you can have this one and boom, now you have more lighting. The other reason why I really like this one is because it is so small. I own a photo booth business and I have to record content for my business because I have to be able to promote it. I can't bring my softbox and be recording reels or be recording TikToks or any type of content with the softbox because it needs to be plugged in. It's not gonna work, right? It's not gonna work. With this one, I can just clip it on my phone and I have portable lighting every single place I go. It just makes sense. That's why I said the first product and the last product that I were gonna mention were both amazing, but they both had their own features. This little bad boy works really well. And I will show you because I'm going to turn off the softbox and I'm going to show you what it looks like with just this one on. Okay, softbox is going off. I'm going to turn this one on. Okay. And then that is what it looks like with just the Alix Earle light. So no Alix Earle light, just the lighting that's in my room, my living room. And then this is the lighting with the Alix Earle light. Just depends on what type of effect. I think that, I don't know if this light is doing it justice right now because this little light is so amazing. I really hope that it's doing it justice, but look at that. It is absolutely crazy. Incredible. I love it. Boom, we're back. And that is all that I have for you today. 3 different products. Let's do a really quick recap. The first one is the LED video light panel running you from $50 to $70. I would recommend you get one that goes high so that you don't have to be putting on a step stool or anything like that like mine. The second one is the selfie ring light. If you're looking for something with light, like a tripod to be able to put your phone in, just 2-in-1, that's a great option. And the selfie light ranges from $26 to $40. And then lastly is the Alix Earle light ranging from $17 to $30. It does wonderful things. I think that every single light provides something different. Do I want to keep adding to my collection? Yes, I would love to, but I've kind of made a deal with myself that I don't want to be adding too many lightings. I want to work with what I have because I feel like it's kind of counterproductive when I'm buying all these things. I do believe that you should invest in your journey, in your business, but I also think that there's a cap, right? You can't be spending all of this money and getting in debt for no reason. That's just my personal opinion. I will be making more videos for content creator tips because I made a video about how to get PR with under 400 followers and it's doing really, really good. And I've gotten such an amazing response. So I'm excited to keep making these videos. I do have a lot of nuggets, a lot of good stuff to share about content creation. Even though I haven't made it big, I have made a really nice community and I have learned so many things throughout the years. I've just never stayed consistent. With my time in the military, it was impossible to stay consistent with my content creation journey. And I think now I am ready to take that leap of faith and to stay consistent with my content creation journey. Let me know which one of these you are willing to try. Let me know what you thought of this review. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.